Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to make a glamour altar. Essentially, I'm giving you a little clean with me and set up my glamour altar at my vanity. It's really messy right now. So I figured it would be the perfect time to show you guys my essentials to have at a glamour altar and everything like that. So if you're new here, hi, my name's Luna. I do witchy things, I do girly things, astrology, tarot, all of the above, all fun things. So I would definitely recommend subscribing if that sounds fun to you. So if you don't really know what a glamour altar is, essentially a glamour altar is maybe a space that you would set up to just kind of dedicate to your glamour magic practice, to your beauty ritual practice, just kind of a place where you can really ritualize and romanticize your glamour routine. Also, if you work with a goddess or honor a goddess, it can be a great place if that's a goddess of love or beauty or attraction, that you can set up like an altar there at wherever you get ready, so that you can kind of work with that goddess's energy to magnetize, attract whatever it is that you want through your makeup or through your glamour or getting ready process. So you definitely don't have to do this at like a makeup vanity like I'm doing. You can do this at a bathroom counter. I know not everyone does makeup, and like that's totally valid, and I think you can have like a beautiful glamour magic or beauty magic routine, like even if you don't wear makeup or anything like that. So just wherever you get ready, that's where I'd recommend doing this. But I'm gonna do it at my little vanity because I love makeup, and I sit down there about every day and do my little beauty rituals, glamour rituals. And yeah, so let's jump into it. So I'm going to be taking my vanity from messy and scattered with makeup to beautiful and sacred and absolutely glowing with goddess energy, ready to magnetize all my desires to me. So honestly, my whole, like this corner of the room has been so crazy since I moved because I don't have enough organization for my makeup. So it's been chaotic, and I'm still waiting to buy like a makeup organizer thing. But the first step that I'm gonna do is literally just clean everything off of here. Take everything off until it is bare bones. Okay, everything is cleaned off, as you can see. Now I'm going to physically clean it first. So I'm just gonna like wipe it down and everything, and then I'm going to energetically cleanse it as well. I'm using this homemade all-purpose cleaner. This is literally just water, vinegar, baking soda, and dish soap. This is like, I make like all my cleaning supplies now. It does leave a kind of vinegary smell, but we're gonna be using oils and stuff to bless it, so that smell will go away. I'm gonna do one more round of moon water just to make sure like the cleaning solution is well distributed, just to really give it one more good cleanse. Okay, so we're cleansed, we cleaned physically, all the gunk is off, everything gross is off. Now we're gonna cleanse energetically. I literally just got my first thing of Florida water from the Spectral Cottage. I'll leave their shop down below. I've always made my own blessing water. I've just never had Florida water in all my years as a witch, so I'm going to be using it for the first time today, if I can figure out how to open it. But this is the step where we'll cleanse. So the physical cleaning's done. Holy shit. Physical cleaning's done. And now we're going to cleanse. We're going to remove any negative energies. And then we'll protect. We'll move on to the protection, and then go from there. I'll come back when I have this opened. So I've got my Florida water. You can use moon water, you can use, if you have like an herbal bundle like cedar or lavender that you want to cleanse with, you can use salt water, like literally anything. I just want to try this out. I overall feel very cleansed, so I'm just gonna dab some on. Now, if you have any oils that you want to anoint your Glamour altar with, now's the time to do so. So I am using my Luna's Love Me Good oil. This is my oil that I make and I sell. This is the best oil for magnetism, attraction, manifesting abundance, pleasure, joy, and success. So of course I want that here. It's so Freya, it's so Venusian, so it's perfect to have. I'm going to anoint my altar with this. And then to finish it off, I'm going to protect it with this Evil Eye oil by Luna and Quartz. This way it is protected. Any negative energy sent my way will be repelled, and it's gonna be Gucci. It's gonna be great. So let's do it. So I'm about to set up my little coffin perfume shelf that I love, and I wanted to show you a brand new bunch of Dossier perfumes I just got in the mail. Thank you so much to Dossier for collaborating with me on this video today, and I'm so excited to show you what new scents I got in the mail. So if you don't know, Dossier reproduces high-end luxury fragrances at a fraction of the cost. I love Dossier so much, and if you've been following me for a while, you've seen these videos. I honestly have been using Dossier fragrances for years now. And today I have 5 fragrances to unbox with you. Summer Crush, Aromatic Sage, Fruity Gardenia, Ambery Oakwood, and Ambery Jasmine. Summer Crush is a Dossier original, and it is the perfect end of summer fragrance. It's so fresh. They call it floral and aquatic, and I couldn't agree more. This just makes me feel like going to the beach and reading a summer romance novel. Next is Ambery Oakwood, and this might be my favorite of this batch. It's inspired by Kilian Angel's Share Eau de Parfum. It is the perfect autumn, spicy, warm, sexy, sweet. Ugh, I love it. Everything about it. It's, like I said, I think this is my favorite. It makes me want to go to a coffee shop and frolic in the field. Next is Ambery Jasmine. This is inspired by Valentino Donna Born in Roma Eau de Parfum. This is so pretty. This one is so feminine. I want to wear a pink dress and just feel so goddessy in this fragrance. Next is Aromatic Sage. This is inspired by Valentino Umo Born in Roma Eau de Toilette. This is a masculine cologne, and this one I'm gonna give to my husband because it smells so good. It's very clean, but still really sexy. And lastly, but certainly not least, is Fruity Gardenia, and this is inspired by Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia Eau de Parfum. This one is so floral and pretty and like goddess of spring energy. Honestly, all of these fragrances are so amazing. Let me know if you get any down in the comments below, and we'll be scent twins. If you do want to get a scent for yourself, I have a coupon code for you. You can use the code LUNA5 at checkout, and you can bundle that with other deals, and that way, maybe, we can be scent twins. I'm telling you, Ambery Oakwood, I'm telling you, is going to be the scent of autumn. It's so good. I love it so much. All those links will be down below. Other than that, let's get back to the video. The main things I would recommend having on your altar are a statue of the goddess if that's something you wish to have, like if you want to work with the goddess on your glamour altar, or you can just have flowers, fresh flowers, make sure to water them and tend to them, crystals that align to your intention, so I would say rose quartz, carnelian, obsidian for protection, selenite for cleansing. I like to have sodalite so that I'm able to express myself well. As I'm getting ready, I'm kind of letting all that energy kind of imbue into me as I'm sitting here. And absolutely have a candle, whether that is dedicated to the goddess that you're working with. So for example, mine is very much like a Freya altar as well as a glamour altar. It kind of goes hand in hand. So the candle I have is like my Freya candle, but it's also like every time I light it, like I'm kind of getting that energy of Freya too. Any spell jars that you have or spell oils, if you have a Luna's Love Me Good oil, I would recommend that. I have the the prototype on my altar. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you again to Dossier for collaborating with me on this video. If you all have any video requests, let me know in the comments down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you all next time. Bye.